In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse your Trello board lists. This is a really handy trick if your board has a lot of lists and it's starting to feel cluttered or overwhelming. Collapsing your lists lets you quickly hide the detailed cards and focus on the big picture. Then expand a list again when you're ready to work on it. First, make sure you're logged into your Trello account in your browser. Once you're signed in, go ahead and open the board where you want to collapse the lists. You can do this from your Trello homepage by clicking on the board's name. When the board loads, you should see all your lists laid out from left to right across the screen, with their cards stacked vertically underneath each list title. Next, move your attention to the very top right corner of the board interface. Here, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is often called the More Options menu. It sits in the board header area, usually near the board's title and any other board level controls you might have, such as filters or views. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains a set of actions and settings that apply to the entire board, not just a single list or card. Take a brief moment to scan the menu so you get a sense of what's available there. But for now, we're interested in the option related to collapsing lists. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Collapse All Lists. The exact wording may be slightly different depending on any updates Trello has made, but it will clearly mention collapsing lists. Once you've found it, click on Collapse All Lists. As soon as you select this option, Trello will automatically shrink all of your lists on that board. Instead of seeing every card, each list will be minimized, usually showing just the list title and maybe a compact indicator of the cards inside. This gives you a much cleaner, more organized overview of your board, which can be especially useful during planning sessions or when you're presenting your board to others. From here, you can expand individual lists again simply by clicking on them, depending on how Trello implements the collapse feature in your version. And if you decide you want everything back to normal, you can return to that same 3 dots menu and look for an option to expand or restore your lists. That's all there is to it. By using the Collapse All Lists option from the board menu, you can quickly tidy up a busy Trello board and make it easier to focus on what matters most.